Hi, I'm Ava, and I am excited to introduce a recipient of this year's Faces of Change California Award, the Upstanders Club of Fairview Elementary School. This is a group of student leaders who are standing up for what's right, reporting bullying, and spreading kindness while helping create a positive school climate. Last year, they created the Kindness Pledge in an animation video to go with it. And this year, they participated in Pacers' virtual Run, Walk, Roll. The Upstanders have impressed everyone with their dedication to help others in need and because of their good hearts. Congratulations, Upstanders. Now here are a few more words from them.
Hi, my name is Bruno and I am an Upstander.
Hi, my name is Christian Rubio and I am an Upstander.
Hi, my name is Elizabeth and I'm an Upstander.
Hi, my name is Yuzan and I'm an Upstander.
Hi, my name is Allison Satina and I'm an Upstander.
Hi, my name is Evelyn and I am an Upstander.
Hi, my name is Alexis Gibson and I'm the founder of the Upstanders Club. I created the Upstanders Club back in Florida in 2015 in the hopes to spread more awareness around bullying prevention, and actually created during Bullying Prevention Month in October. So I'm super excited to see it grow over the years, and now it's in Hayward, California at Fairview Elementary School, and I'm so excited. The Upstanders are all about building community, building positive school climate, making sure we are standing up for what's right, and giving students allies around campus to make sure we are including everyone, that everyone is accepted, and we are spreading kindness and also exhibiting empathy.
Being an Upstander means to me to be strong and to be helpful to others. And my role as an Upstander is to help others in need and when they need it most. And what inspired me to do the fundraiser is I don't like seeing people struggle, so I just wanted to help people to get a home at least and to get some food to eat. So that is what inspires me as an Upstander.
What it means to be an Upstander for me is to be a general help to people, not just in my circle, but everybody. So whether that's online, in person, whether anything, I try to help and try to make a situation better, if not great. And my role as an Upstander is to help people, and it's to spread kindness and all of that. And I like to do it by animating. It's one of my great hobbies, and I do animations for the Upstanders.